knee hyperextension taping technique. So what we're trying to prevent is overextension of our knee. So we have our start in a slightly flexed position. First thing would be shave and then spray. And you can put in a lace pad on the back of her knee so that there's not rubbing right there. You can do one or two. Start with pre-wrap. Start down in the mid-calf area. So you have a good long lever. Thought I'd get a little bit farther than that. Just like with the Diamond X knee, you want to have symmetrical links. So if I'm going down this far on the front, I should be coming up at least that far on the back, on the top part. So the most common mistake is people not going up high enough on the thigh portion. You know, especially if you have guys, that's a little uncomfortable, but what's more uncomfortable is when your tape falls off. So, we have 2 anchors, top and bottom. Is we're going to make a fan for the posterior aspect. So we want to prevent hyperextension. So we'll make a fan, minimum of 3 strips. And most likely you'll be doing 4 or 5, depending again on the size of your athlete. Once you have the fan on the posterior aspect, I'm going to re-anchor once again. Portion of the tape job, but to keep this from getting caught on things and finish it all up, you would wrap the entire thing up with an elastic tape, like Hyperextension or tape wrap. Attempt to extend their knee. And if there's a good block there and they can't get quite to full extension, that's exactly what you want. Sometimes you'll see this taping technique, same taping technique done, except instead of a white tape X, you'll see it done with Elasticon. Elasticon almost always has it like a pink strip down the middle. It's an elastic adhesive tape. And so sometimes you'll see that there as well instead of white tape. So we now have our 3 diagonal, and 3 straight. And we have that both medial and lateral. So we're going to end this technique by re-anchoring both distal and proximal. Finish this technique. So now that it's re-anchored, we'd finish this technique by wrapping the whole thing up circumferentially with some kind of a stretchy elastic tape. So I'm using a tape wrap or PowerFlex depending on the brand that you have, but other kinds can be used as well. And this isn't necessarily putting any tension, it's just to cover up all those loose ends, keep it from getting caught on things as the person is participating in sport. So That is a knee Diamond X TV Tech.